Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to develop a game, word search puzzle game in Thunkable, and that also without coding. So let's get started. Number one step is that we all have to open Thunkable, and once it is open, we have to create a new app here. Now we will be naming the app as word search puzzle, and then it will be categorized as games, and after that we are going to take the new interface and we are going to click on create. Now once this is done, we are going to open one more thing, and that is the website, the word search. So on Google you could search for the word search, and once you search for it, you will see this page here. Now what we will be doing is we are going to make a word search puzzle game here. Now after going to this website, you have to click on word search maker, and once you click here, you have to write title, what will be the title or the topic of the word search puzzle game, what will be the description, the words will be written here, and let's first of all do this. So let's get started. So the title of this will be space exploration. So our word search puzzle game will be based on space exploration. So I'm going to write a description and a word list here. So let's get started. So there we go. I have written the title, I have written the description as well. See this? And I have also added the word list. Now what this word list is, when the user will be playing the game, he or she will be finding these words. So this is what basically it does. Now after this, you will be seeing this subject. In subject, you have to choose non-personal and click on submit. Once you submit it, you will find two links here. But before that, this is how your game will be looking like. In your app as well, this is your game. Now, this was the preview. Now, what next step is, you have two links here, the play link and the secret edit link. Now, you have to use this link in your app, whereas this link will be only personalized to you. This is the shareable link, and this is the secret link that you will use to update your game. So what's the next step is, you have to go on Thunkable now. Your game is developed almost. What you need to do next is, this is your app. Okay, you will be making two screens here. Number one, the splash screen, and number two is the second screen, the playing screen here. So let's work on the first screen. In the first screen, we will be adding two labels. Wait, let's just add two labels. Now we have got two labels. In the first label, we are going to write word search puzzle, and in the second label, we are going to write the title, that is space exploration. You could choose any of the topics. Either it could be related to science or either to something else. There are so many topics available. You could choose any one of them. I have chosen space exploration. Now once we are done, let's modify this. What we are going to do is, let's check this out. We are going to change the background as well, and we are going to change the font size as well. So now I have modified the text. Now let's add a background picture here. I will be adding a picture. You could even do a color as well. So you have to click on background picture, upload a file, and then you could upload. So this is how the first screen looks like. You could even add a button as well here if you want to, or if you don't want to add button, what you could do is, you will go on to the blocks, and once you go on the block, you will go to control, not control. First of all, you will go on screen number 1, and on screen number 1 you will go to start. You could go to control, then you could drag this one out, wait 1 second, and then navigate to screen number 2. This is the second option that you could do if you don't want to add a button. Now if you want to add a button, what you could do is you could write on the button, I will be writing like let's play. So the user will be clicking on this button and he or she will be able to go ahead. If you are adding a button, then in the blocks what you will do is you will be doing this. You will go to button number 1, and when button 1 is clicked, we will go to control, navigate to screen number 2. This is basically what the block will be. Now once this is also done, your first screen is ready with coding as well. Now you need to go to this where the user will be playing game. Now in this you will be adding a column. We will be adding a column. Okay, if the column is not coming, it's no need of column. You could only add web viewer here only. You need to add only web viewer. Now enlarge it to the absolute size. Okay, let's me do this. Now once the web viewer is added, you will see in the components here on the right hand side something written URL. In the URL you have to paste a link. Now this is the play link that you need to copy. The game that you made, you need to copy this link, and once you copy it, you have to paste it in this URL. Once you have added the URL, your app is completed. So let's have a quick live test.
That your app is developed, you could live test it on your mobile. On your mobile, you could download Thunkable app, and once it is downloaded, you could preview your app here. So now here is your projects, all the projects. This is our app number 1. This is how the first screen looks like. This is the button, we will be clicking on it. Let's play. And this is how actually our app looks like. I have changed the background, okay, and this is how the actual app looks like. Now we are ready to play. These are the words here written, and we have to find the words right here. Like I have found the first word, that is solar system, astronomy, and just like this you could find more words. So this is how the whole app looks like, and our game is developed. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, consider liking. Thank you so much.